Which of the following fractions should be placed in the empty space so that the sum of the fractions on each side of the square is the same? Wonderful. So let's find this sum first. 1 by 12 plus 5 by 12 plus 5 by 12. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. This is 11 by 12. Let's do this. 5 by 12 plus 2 by 12 plus 4 by 12. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 4, 11 by 12. 4 plus 3 plus 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 12. All the totals add up to 11 by 12. So whatever is there in this question mark, so if we say 1 by 12 plus question mark plus 4 by 12 is 11 by 12. Question mark plus 5 by 12 is 11 by 12, or question mark should be 6 by 12, or 1 by 2. We have a choice that directly says 6 by 12. Done.